What up guys, it's George here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Mac Mini 2021 version. This is the one with the Apple M1 chip. So this will replace my current Mac computer. So you guys ready? Let's do this. All right. Here we go. Definitely sealed pretty good. Get my all right, guys. Exciting, very exciting. Very nice package. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead. All right. Put this on the side. You can see. And looks like it goes right out. So first, we got the actual machine here. It's not that heavy. So, oh, just letting you guys know, this is the one with 8 gig memory, 256 gig GB SSD with the M1 chip, 2021 version. Okay. And this one got a little packet. Not sure what to. This is probably like some type of instruction. Yeah, I got some instruction, and then of course you got that little sticker. Okay. All right. What's next? We got the power cord. Got the power cord here. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's all you get. So yeah, very simple packaging. So can't wait to get it all set up, and I'll definitely do a review. I'll do a review after I get it all set up, maybe like in a week or two. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.